Hi friends, today we're going to draw a Chinese dragon. Have you seen a dragon before? While you watch Mom drawing the dragon, let me tell you a story. A story about the first Chinese dragon. Long, long ago in the kingdom of China, there is a heavenly beautiful place called Dragon Gate. The Yellow River flowed here and was blocked by the Dragon Gate mountain. This created a large lake to the south of the mountain. The carpfish that lived in the Yellow River heard about the beautiful scenery of Dragon Gate. They wanted to be there. They set off from the base of the Yellow River in Henan province, traveled for a long time, and finally arrived at the place where the water splashed from Dragon Gate. However, there was no way to get up the Dragon Gate mountain by water. So they had to gather at the foot of the mountain. "I have an idea," said one red carpfish, who was big and strong. "How about we swim upstream against the current and jump over this Dragon Gate mountain?" Others were stunned by his proposal. "But it's so high. How can we jump so high? If we do not make it, we may die." "It's too dangerous.
It's impossible."
And then the big red carpfish bravely declared, "We have traveled this far. Let's not give up so easily. I'll give it a try and jump first." With all its might, it launched itself from half a mile away. Like a catapult, it leaped into the air, reaching halfway into the sky, dragging both cloud and rings with it. A ball of heavenly fire chased after the big red fish, burning its tail. The remaining carpfish at the foot of the mountain, witnessing this scene, were scared stiff, huddling together, and no longer daring to take the risk. But the big red carpfish did not give up. She endured the pain and continued to leap forward. The persistence paid off, and she finally jumped over the Dragon Gate mountain. And by the time the red carpfish landed in the lake to the south, she transformed into a giant dragon in the blink of an eye. The giant dragon flied back, descended from the sky, and said to the rest of the fish, who were scared looking at her, "Don't be afraid. I am your friend, the big red carpfish. Because I jumped over Dragon Gate, I turned into a dragon. You can become a dragon too. Be brave and jump. Don't give up before you try." Encouraged by these words, other fish began to jump over the Dragon Gate mountain one by one. Although most of them couldn't make it, but they didn't die by trying. There were only a few fish who kept trying, again and again. Some jumped over and turned into dragons. Those who couldn't make it fell from the sky and ended up with a black scar on their foreheads. Even today, if you catch a Yellow River carpfish, you may still find that black scar remaining on its forehead. Alright, that is the story about the first Chinese dragon. This story tells me to not give up so easily. But Mom also tells me not to jump too high.
Definitely not jump over the mountain.
And I don't want a black scar on my face. And I'm afraid of height.
Okay, enough takeaways from the story. At least one thing for sure. You're not turning into a dragon anytime soon.
Let's click on the drawings. Have you followed along? Let's add fins to her back. Why are there so many bumps? Let's add details to her body. Did you know, somebody say, that dragon scales can be used to create powerful potions? Actually, my mom told me that. I have no idea if it's true or not. Let's add 2 whiskers. Now we've done drawing a dragon. Let's color it in. Since nobody has seen a real dragon, you can choose whatever color you like. 2024 is the year of the dragon in China. We wish for peace on earth. Hey, the face of Mommy's dragon looks like a baboon. I like the way Mom drew the dragon claws. They're so easy to draw. Her tail still looks like a fish.
Hooray!
We've done drawing a dragon. Now I want to try it too. It looks like she's wearing red sunglasses and wearing a ruby crown. My dragon has different colors. We've done drawing both dragons. We hope you liked the video. See you next time. Bye!